Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and as you know from a previous video, I love this little bargain bush box copy I got, and it turns out they do another variant, so I just had to get it to share with you guys. Now once again, this was coated in all that blue plastic film, so I've cut that bit out where I was peeling it all off. So it came in its own little cauterized stuff sack again, same as the other one did, and this one also had a little pocket bellows, and I think that's a really nice touch. And for those people that want to know all the exact dimensions, here they are. You can see here that the grill plate on this is much larger, and that's why I got this, because this looks to me more like a really nice compact camping barbecue. These slots here mean that you can set the charcoal up at two different heights, and as the slots on the bottom and top edges for the grill plate, you can actually turn the whole thing upside over and have 4 different height settings, which I think is pretty cool. So here you can see I'm just grilling some hot dogs, and I've only put 4 in here. It'd probably take more actually, to be fair. And of course you can still use it as a stove with this iron skillet here. I'm just pan frying some duck breast. I really like this design, and I don't know another company that makes one similar, to be fair. If you do, let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions or anything like that. As always, I'd love to hear what you think. So, thanks very much for your time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!